And we're back. We're going to continue looking at graphs of important functions for grade 12 advanced functions course. The next one we're going to study is the square root of x. So this is a square root function. And we want to see what the shape is. So let's make a small table of values. For this function, we want to recall that we cannot take the square root of a negative number. And I'll leave that for you to research why. That could be another lesson. If you have questions, you can see me in class. So let's choose values for x that are positive. So we're going to choose 0. We're also going to choose 1, 4, 9. We could also choose 16, 25 if we like, but those are getting kind of big for our grid. The reason we chose these numbers is because those are perfect squares. When we take the square root of a number, we want to get a good graph, we want to choose numbers that are perfect squares because those will give us whole number values when we take their square root. So when we're substituting these values in, the square root of x, square root of 0 is 0, square root of 1 is 1, square root of 4 is not 4, it is 2, because 2 times 2 is 4. Square root of 9 is 3, square root of 16 is 4, square root of 25 is 5. So when we plot these values, looking over at our graph, 0, 0, 1, 1, now we go over to 4 and up to 2, over to 9 and up to 3. You can see we don't have room to plot the 16 and the 25. And we're not going to plot any values that are negative because those fall outside of the domain of this function. We cannot take the square root of a negative number. So now we connect these in a smooth curve.